Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. The mango season is here and we've been whipping up some amazing recipes. Today's dish is one of my personal favorites because this is something that my mother makes for me, especially because I love this dish. We're going to make this nice, tangy and comforting mango dal. We call this Mamidikaya Pappu. This is one of my favorite dishes and it's best enjoyed with nice hot steaming rice and ghee. This dish is very dear to me and I'm going to share it with you guys. So let's get started and check it out.
For this recipe, I have taken half cup of Toor Dal. First, rinse it well in water and soak it for about 30 minutes. This helps to cook the dal faster and turn out soft and creamy. Now take fresh raw mangoes. Make sure to use a nice and tangy variety because that's what gives the dish its signature flavor. I'm using sour mangoes we get locally in my hometown, but you can use whatever's available near you. Trim off the stalk, scrape off the skin using a peeler and chop the mangoes into medium-sized cubes and keep this aside. Now that our dal has soaked, let's add it to the pressure cooker. Along with this, add the chopped mango pieces. For half cup of dal, I'm adding more than 1 cup of water. I'm also adding 3 green chillies for the spice. Close the lid and pressure cook it on medium flame for about 5 whistles. Once done, allow the pressure to release naturally. When you open the lid, the dal and mango will be cooked perfectly. Using a ladle, mash it gently and not too much. We still want to see those mango chunks. Now place the cooker back on the stove and bring the dal to a boil again. Now let's season it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Mix everything well and taste it. Now you can adjust the spice and salt based on the sourness of your mangoes. Just add a little more water if needed and let it boil for about 5 minutes. To temper the mango dal, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a small pan. Once it's hot, add 1 teaspoon Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Uard Dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon Cumin Seeds. Once the mustards start to splutter, then add 4 red chillies cut, half teaspoon Asafotida powder and a few fresh curry leaves. Pour this aromatic tempering right over the hot dal and mix it all in. That's it. There you go. Here is our spicy, tangy, ghee-infused raw mango dal that is ready to be served nice and hot. It pairs beautifully with hot rice, a drizzle of ghee and with some potato fry or papad by the side.
There you have it. Here is this tangy and delicious and easy to make mango dal. This is a very comforting dish and it's best enjoyed with some nice hot steaming rice and a little bit of ghee. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.